my name is Divyansh. Today I am going to, again it is the part 2 of Binocular, and now I am going to tell about again this CASON Binocular. So if you don't see my part 1 video of Binocular, so I will give the link in my description. Already I have shown these things, so let's get started. I told you in part 1 that I will tell how to join this. So you look at the back of it. Here are the 2 hooks. Like this, slightly do like this, and again put it, hook it here like just slight. No, slightly. Now it is hanging. Now I can see everything. If you want to see, so you want to see little closer, but far little. So you can make the binocular bend like this. If you want to adjust your binocular not to go so much far, so you have to push it down like this. It has gaps, so it is ready, and you can see it. You can see properly and closely. If you want to see some far, so do straight fully. You can see far. So here is the rolling part, the roll circle, rounded circle, like that is not a playing thing. That are just how much far you want and how much closer you want. Backward means far means back, means reverse, means close, not closer, only far. Only you can see, and when you do forward, it looks farther. We can see closer in the farther place. So if you want a black, so you can buy, but mostly the green is attractive, so you can take a green one. So now we are not going to do time waste, and I am going to show now how it looks like. Let's come. Now we are in the stairs. There is the lift, but I want to physically do so. Come. Here the greenery is good. Hello guys. Now we are in my society. So here is a good place and free place. So we can do here binocular spot and testing both in good. Now I am seeing some here I am in the ground. So here is the free place. So now we can test here properly and do binocularing here properly. So firstly you have to You have to choose any place, north, south, east, where you see many things. So now first I am I firstly I set it. Now we are going to I will also show you how it looks. Wow, it's very close. I am going to show the how closer it looks. You should buy this. I bought it from Flipkart, so you can buy from any company, any applications, shopping applications like Amazon. You can buy. So you should buy this. This is the good opinion for traveling. If you like my channel, you please subscribe my channel, like and press the bell icon. So with the help of your opinion, I will read your every messages and do that. So that's it. Thank you and have a nice day.